Drop the bass, main, the bass get lower.
Hey there, fabulous! Get ready for a fun 2-day trip to San Sebastian where we enjoy some fantastic weather, even though it's supposed to be autumn. As we arrive in this city, I couldn't help but notice how different and beautiful the architecture is. You know, most European cities tend to look pretty similar, but not San Sebastian. It got its own unique charm. Our adventure kicked off with a coffee stop at this adorable cupcake shop. That's where we hatched our simple plan for the day. Just walk around the city and see where it takes us. And these are my crew. And Anka here is the creative genius behind Rosemarine Concept, a brand that designs beautiful, memorable scarves. During our stroll, we stumble upon a pink store called Yusa, a local shop that sells gorgeous jewelry. And it turned out to be fate, because I just found there the piercing I've been looking for.
And the reaction of the girls. Oh,
Wow. It looks so much different and beautiful. It has the
it is so
Bling,
beautiful.
bling.
it has the bling.
Yes.
It's incredible.
That's my rich girl era.
And we're with it. We're here for it.
We explored lots of shops and made a neat discovery. A bunch of cool illustrated planners and calendars, and they were so cool. It got me thinking about the future of my business, Jom Atelier, and how can I bring my products to this level. As you know, or if you don't know, I just launched my first planner, and it got me thinking, I was just doing my research. Okay, we tried the famous Basque cheesecake, and it was seriously the best cheesecake I've ever had. We couldn't resist, and we got some slices from this local shop called The Loaf, and we brought these slices to the beach. second day in San Sebastian, we actually just got to spend an afternoon, and it was just amazing. Despite the chilly wind, the sun was shining, and we decided to explore the other part of the city where there is the surface beach, and we relaxed in the sand and snacked on some tasty treats. Our adventure wrapped up with an incredible sunset from the middle of a mountain, and it was pure magic. And now, as we head back to Quartango, our hearts are filled with amazing, delicious memories from San Sebastian. If you had fun on this adventure, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a friendly comment to share your thoughts.